24 Most Inspirational Quotes by Thich Nhat Hanh for a Better Life. When you want to make yourself a successful person or live a beautiful life, you have to accept yourself first. You have to accept who you are, how you are. Thich Nhat Hanh says that the only way to live a beautiful life is to accept yourself. Other people accepting you will not make you live a good life until you accept yourself. There is no need to copy anyone, no need to run after anyone. You are perfect the way you are made, you are wonderful just the way you are. If you want to read more inspirational lines to find some inspiration, then you have to read some inspirational quotes by Thich Nhat Hanh given below. These quotes will help you to become better in your life. Inspirational quotes by Thich Nhat Hanh. Read the below Thich Nhat Hanh inspirational quotes to live a better life. 1. To be beautiful means to be yourself. You don't need to be accepted by others. You need to accept yourself. Thich Nhat Hanh. 2. Your purpose is to be yourself. You don't have to run anywhere to become someone else. You are wonderful just as you are. Thich Nhat Hanh. 3. Letting go gives us freedom, and freedom is the only condition for happiness. If, in our heart, we still cling to anything, anger, anxiety, or possessions, we cannot be free. Thich Nhat Hanh. 4. People have a hard time letting go of their suffering. Out of a fear of the unknown, they prefer suffering that is familiar. Thich Nhat Hanh. 5. Feelings come and go like clouds in a windy sky. Conscious breathing is my anchor. Thich Nhat Hanh. 6. The seed of suffering in you may be strong, but don't wait until you have no more suffering before allowing yourself to be happy. Thich Nhat Hanh. 7. Because you are alive, everything is possible. Thich Nhat Hanh. 8. The most precious gift we can offer anyone is our attention. When mindfulness embraces those we love, they will bloom like flowers. Thich Nhat Hanh. 9. The true miracle is not walking on water or walking in air, but simply walking on this earth. Thich Nhat Hanh. 10. When you begin to see that your enemy is suffering, that is the beginning of insight. Thich Nhat Hanh. 11. If you touch one thing with deep awareness, you touch everything. Thich Nhat Hanh. 12. When our beliefs are based on our own direct experience of reality and not on notions offered by others, no one can remove these beliefs from us. Thich Nhat Hanh. 13. If we believe that tomorrow will be better, we can bear a hardship today. Thich Nhat Hanh. 14. Do not lose yourself in the past, do not lose yourself in the future, do not get caught in your anger, worries, or fears. Come back to the present moment and touch life deeply. This is mindfulness. Thich Nhat Hanh. 15. There is no way to happiness. Happiness is the way. Thich Nhat Hanh. 16. Sometimes your joy is the source of your smile, but sometimes your smile can be the source of your joy. Thich Nhat Hanh. 17. Life is a miracle, and being aware of simply this can already make us very happy. Thich Nhat Hanh. 18. Happiness is available. Please help yourself to it. Thich Nhat Hanh. 19. Life is available only in the present moment. Thich Nhat Hanh. 20. When we are mindful, deeply in touch with the present moment, our understanding of what is going on deepens, and we begin to be filled with acceptance, joy, peace, and love. Thich Nhat Hanh. 21. I promise myself that I will enjoy every minute of the day that is given me to live. Thich Nhat Hanh. 22. The past is gone, the future is not yet here, and if we do not go back to ourselves in the present moment, we cannot be in touch with life. Thich Nhat Hanh. 23. Only the present moment contains life. Thich Nhat Hanh. 24. The best way to take care of the future is to take care of the present moment. Thich Nhat Hanh. I hope you liked the above inspirational quotes by Thich Nhat Hanh. Don't forget to mention the best line that you liked most from the above lines in the comment box below.